I think the piece of that that really settled it for me was Risha was one of the trainers, and we were going to work on haltering. And one of my horses was resisting. I have the language today. Then I didn't have the language. And Risha, she made requests for about 15 minutes. And then she turned to me and said, I don't think that it would be in the best interest to keep asking this horse to participate. So let's make a change. And I wanted to like hug her because it felt like I'd never been in an equine container in which the horse was honored to that level, in which consent was important enough that we were going to change the game plan of the workshop. And if there was any doubt in my mind at that point, I knew I needed to know more. And I have, I love this community. I love the information. And I love being able to practice the principles with everybody that we get to interact with.